These are the appendicular bones. We're going to start with the clavicle, which is up here. The scapula is back here. The coracoid is right here. The subscapular fossa is down here. The glenoid cavity is down here. The spine is right here. The acromion is right here. The supraspinous fossa is up here above the spine. The infraspinous fossa is down here below the spine. The sternoclavicular joint is the joint that connects the clavicle to the sternum. It is right here. The acromioclavicular joint connects the clavicle to the cranium. It is back here. Moving down to the arm, we have the humerus. It is this bone down here. The head of it is at the top, right here, the round thing. The greater tubercle is in here. The lesser tubercle is right here. The deltoid tuberosity is down here. The medial epicondycle is right here. The lateral epicondycle is right here on the outside. The coronoid fossa is the curve right here where the ulna enters. The trochlea is where the ulna and the humerus connect. The olecranon fossa is the backside where the ulna and the humerus connect. Moving down to the forearm is the ulna is right here. This is the radius here. The olecranon of the ulna is the back where the ulna goes into the trochlea. The coronoid process is the curve at the back of the ulna. The styloid process is the bottom of the radius and ulna. Oops, down here. Now the radius itself, it's the shorter bone of the forearm. This is its head right here. This is the radial tuberosity is up here. Whoops, sorry. Sorry, right here. The styloid process is down here. Now moving down to the carpus, we have this hand over here, the left hand, the proximal roll from lateral to medial. We have the scaphoid, lunate, tricutial, and the pisiform. And then below that, we have from lateral to medial, we have the trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, hamitate. The bones that form the wrist are the ulna and the radius, and the scaphoid, lunate, tricutial, and pisiform up here. The bones down here where the carpals and the metacarpals connect create the pollex joint. For example, here are the metacarpals, and below that are the phalanges down here. Now moving down to the pelvic girdle. This is the area right here. It connects the pelvic bones to the lower extremities as well as to the spine. The pelvic girdle itself has the coxal bone that is 3 bones fused together. It's the ilium up here, the pubis front, and then the ischium in the back. The acetabellum is the part in here where the top of the femur enters. The pubic symphysis is here in the middle where they connect. The arburator foramen is this hole in the front. The iliac crest is the top of the ilium here. The anterior superior iliac spine is the front curve at the top of the ilium. The iliac fossa is the flat part of the ilium. The greater sciatic notch is the notch at the back of the, down here. The ischial spine is back here. The ischial tuberosity is this flat bottom part of the pubic bone. And moving down to the femur, we have the femoral head here. We have the greater trochanter here. We have the lesser trochanter down here. We have the adductor tubercle is down here. The kneecap. We have the medial epicondyle. It's down here. The lateral epicondyle is out here. The medial and lateral condyles are right here. This is the medial, this is the lateral out here. The patella is right here. The fibula, moving down. Oops, sorry, the tibia is this bigger bone here. The medial and lateral condyles are the back side of the head down here, the small curves. The proximal and distal tibiofibular joints. The proximal one is up here up top. The distal one is down here. The fibula head is here, and the fibrolateral malleus is this bottom part down here. Moving down to the tarsus, we have